Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pizza keychain. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need polymer clay in several colors: red for sauce, white for dough, yellow for cheese, and brown for crust. Also, grab a small blade, a rolling pin, and a texture tool. For the keychain part, an eye pin, a jump ring, and a keychain ring are necessary. Finally, ensure you have a baking sheet and an oven ready for the curing process. Now, let's form the pizza slice itself. Take your white polymer clay and roll it out evenly to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully cut a triangular shape, roughly 2 inches long, to create your pizza base. Next, attach a thin strip of brown clay to the wide end of the triangle. This will be your delicious crust. Use a texture tool to gently add some realistic texture to the crust, making it look perfectly baked. With the base ready, it's time for the toppings. First, spread a thin, even layer of red clay over the white pizza base to represent the tomato sauce. Next, take your yellow clay and shred or finely chop it to create realistic-looking cheese. Carefully place this yellow cheese evenly over the red sauce. For extra detail, you could add tiny pieces of brown or red clay to simulate pepperoni or mushrooms, making your pizza truly unique. Almost done. Carefully insert an eye pin into the wide end of your pizza slice, near the crust, ensuring it's secure. Now, place your clay pizza on a baking sheet and bake it according to your polymer clay package instructions, usually around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely. Finally, attach a jump ring to the eye pin and then connect your keychain ring to the jump ring. Your delicious pizza keychain is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.